Guys, what if one AI could take a short video, break it down, and turn it into multiple social media posts without you doing everything manually? That's exactly what we're going to build today. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Instead of using AI as a simple chatbot, we'll create a small team of AI agents that work together and handle the entire process for us. From analyzing a video to generating ready-to-use content, everything will be structured into one workflow. This is possible thanks to Autohive, a platform designed for building autonomous AI agents that act more like digital co-workers than tools. They can run workflows, interact with different systems, and work in the background while you focus on other things. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump into the platform and see how Autohive actually works. Friends, once you log in, you land on the main dashboard. At the top, you'll see a metric called Manual Hours Saved, which shows how many hours of human work your agents have already replaced. Right next to it, there's an ROI indicator, giving you a quick sense of the financial impact of your automation. It's a simple overview, but it immediately shows that this isn't just a tool, it's something that actually replaces real work. Below that, you'll find the action box, which acts as the central hub for everything. This is where your workflows live and where you can track what your agents are doing in real time. You also get access to the marketplace, where you can explore ready-made agents from the community, and the workspaces section, which helps you separate personal experiments from more structured business processes. Now, folks, instead of building everything from scratch, we'll use a feature called use case brainstorming. This is where things start to get interesting, because instead of figuring everything out manually, we just describe the idea. In this case, I want AI to take a TikTok video and automatically turn it into a series of social media posts. After I send the request, the platform analyzes the idea and suggests a full architecture for how the agents should be structured. And honestly, guys, this part is more powerful than it might seem at first. The brainstorming agent doesn't just give you a rough idea, it actually breaks things down into specific components and explains how the workflow should be built. Within a couple of minutes, you already have a clear plan for automating the entire content process. Next, the system passes this plan to another agent called Prompt Writer. This agent takes the idea and turns it into a full setup of specialized agents. Instead of relying on one AI, the workflow is split between multiple roles. One handles transcription, another focuses on content creation, and another takes care of publishing. And on top of that, the platform even recommends which models to use, like suggesting Claude Sonnet for higher quality text generation. Before we actually build the agents, we need to set up integrations. Mates, these are basically the tools that allow your agents to interact with external platforms. For this workflow, we'll need access to TikTok for video input and platforms like LinkedIn and X for content output. The system also suggests adding a speech recognition integration to improve transcription accuracy, which makes a big difference in the final result. Now we move on to creating the first agent, the video transcriber. I click Create Agent, give it a clear name, and paste the XML instructions generated earlier. These instructions define exactly how the agent should behave, so in a way, this becomes its operating system inside the workflow. Then we configure the model settings by selecting OpenAI GPT 4.1 Mini and setting the temperature to 0.3, which keeps everything consistent and accurate. After that, we connect the integrations. I open Add Integration, search for TikTok, and then add the speech recognition tool. This is where the system really shifts from being a chatbot to something much more practical. Once the integrations are connected, the agent can actually perform tasks, not just generate text. We authenticate everything using an API key, run the setup, and the system successfully processes the transcription pipeline. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Once the video transcriber is ready, we go back to the workspace, mark this step as completed, and move on to the next agent. Now we create the content writer, and the process is pretty similar. New agent, clear name, same XML-based instructions. The difference here is that this agent doesn't need integrations, because its job is purely to transform text into content. To test it, I simply paste the transcript generated earlier. The agent analyzes it and starts generating multiple post variations, structured LinkedIn posts, shorter updates, and platform-ready formats. The output is actually well organized. Each post starts with a hook, develops the idea clearly, and ends with a short takeaway that drives engagement. And if something feels off, we can always tweak the instructions. But most of the time, the base prompt already does a solid job. Now, friends, we move to the final piece, the publisher orchestrator. This agent acts as the manager of the entire workflow, coordinating all the other agents and handling the final stage. We create it the same way, paste the XML instructions, and connect the necessary integrations, including LinkedIn and X. Autohive also supports other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, so you can easily expand this workflow later. Once the orchestrator is ready, the whole system is complete. To test it, I paste a TikTok video link and ask the system to repurpose the content. From here, everything runs automatically. First transcription, then content generation, and finally preparation for publishing. Since I didn't connect any accounts in this example, the system just outputs the posts so they can be reviewed and published manually. Folks, even in this setup, the result looks solid. The posts capture the key ideas from the video and adapt them to formats that actually work for different platforms. But the real value shows up when you automate everything fully. Inside the schedule section, you can configure the workflow to run on its own. For example, the system can monitor a TikTok account and check for new uploads. And whenever new content appears, the entire chain starts automatically. Transcription, content creation, everything without you touching it. At that point, it basically turns into a background content system that keeps working for you. Guys, Autohive shows us how AI is moving beyond simple tools into full systems. You're not just chatting with one assistant anymore. You're building workflows where multiple agents collaborate and handle actual tasks. What makes it especially interesting is how accessible it is. You don't need to code or build complex logic. You just describe what you want, and the platform helps structure it for you. And in this example, instead of relying on any specific platform integration, we focused on a safer workflow where content is generated and reviewed before publishing. The same idea can be applied way beyond this use case, from marketing workflows to research pipelines or internal automation. And once everything is set up, it can just run in the background and keep producing results. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time.